Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. So we're out here at the BMX track with Razor RC. You can check out his channel in the video description if you haven't already. We've got an ECX amp 2-wheel drive. And Razor's done some improvements to this car. We've got one at Racing to Learn as well. But still running the stock brushed motor. He's replaced the ESC and the receiver. He's replaced the hexes with some Traxxas hexes. I should let you talk. Razor.
Yeah, I changed out the screws. Oh.
He's busy driving. Uh-oh. It's hard to drive, film, and talk at the same time. So I'm glad. Yeah.
That's the real skill in YouTube.
Yeah, I'm glad.
All your driving,
right?
Your talking abilities are.
So I'm not driving now. I'm letting Razor do that. So I'm just focusing on the talking and filming.
There's some sort of burn there. But yeah, so I changed out the screws, changed out motor, ESC, and receiver to like a Spectrum compatible receiver from put some diff locking grease in the diff to give it a little bit of limited slip diff action. Yeah, as you mentioned, I changed out the hexes. That's about it. So 5 must-have upgrades for your ECX Amp MT. That all costs, less than $20.
So I'm kind of surprised you went with the RTR version versus the kit, because you're more of a kit guy.
Yeah, so I picked this up on eBay from RC4U77. He seems like he's got access to a bunch of either returned or somewhat damaged Horizon hobby products, and you can get this truck for what sells at $440 new as a returned item for like under $100. So they had kit versions, but not as many. And they generally seem to sell for a little bit more for some reason. So the RTR version is a little less expensive.
Yeah, what always surprised me, about the ECX amp was that the RTR and the kit version cost the same.
Yeah, I know.
And then you have to paint your own body and put it together. I'm like, wait, you're saving them money.
What are they paying those people in the factories to build these things?
Right? I mean, it's all a marketing thing, I guess. But, I think they should have made the kit like $20 cheaper or something like that.
Spit it out. Dug a hole.
Dug a hole.
I mean, good point. So yeah, I probably would have preferred a kit version. I'm not as I buy RTRs, and the kit. The nice thing about building your own kit is you kind of can fit it all together the way you like it.
Yeah.
And one thing I definitely would have done was change out all the screws for hex head screws.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the Phillips screws.
No, they suck.
They suck.
They strip. I mean, there's just really no reason. I mean, that's another thing that kind of, one of my pet peeves about the ECXs is that they just, they use Phillips head screws. Like, it doesn't cost you anymore to put in hex head. And actually, it probably is better in your manufacturing process.
Right.
Anyways.
Yeah, so that, it's funny because I guess I did a review of 3 RC cars under $100, sort of what was the best. This was the winner, so I picked this one, but I also compared the Arma Voltage series, the Phazon Voltage, and also the Red Cat Corona.
Oh, yeah.
That was like, this sells generally for under $100.
How did the other two do?
The Red Cat is in 3rd place. It's made in China. You can tell the design was done by somebody that didn't really understand RC cars that well in terms of like geometry, of how the shocks and arms and turnbuckles and stuff should be set up. So I didn't really like that car that much. Also, the quality control I think is the lowest. The plastics, just how it's put together, the transmission doesn't fit together actually that well. So there's actually a lot of drag on the transmission.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah, so just not a well put together, well designed car. I picked it up for 66 bucks on Amazon. Ended up giving it to my friend. The Arma's not bad. It's a mid-motor design. Certainly a unique and unusual layout.
Yeah.
You know, there's nothing like that. But it does have some things I didn't like the lithium-ion.
Really, you didn't like that?
18650s?
Yeah, you didn't like that?
No.
How come?
I mean, it comes with a battery, but you know, I think that's a cost thing. I don't know, like I'd rather have a nickel metal hydride battery. You know, easier to charge. Just a standard type of battery. Right? I'm not going to use those batteries on anything else. I think runtime's about 8 or 10 minutes on 2 batteries.
Did you ever try it with 4 or 6?
I have, yeah. So it gets up to like 20, 25 minutes on 6 of them, I think.
It just gives you longer runtime when you
It
pop
just
them
gives you
more.
longer. Yeah, they're running in parallel instead of, I think they're like 1,200, 1,800 each or something. So. But anyways, so decent car. I'm actually pretty good. The radio was okay. The Red Cat one was terrible.
Oh, have they switched the Arma voltage over to the Spectrum?
I don't think so. It's not a Tactic. It's some off-brand. Or actually, it is a Tactic. You're right, but I don't think they switched it yet. So.
It's not the Fly Sky compatible Tactic, or is it?
Yeah, I don't know what it's got the batteries in the grip. I don't know if there's a Fly Sky version, but not the one that Red Cat uses. On a lot of their low end stuff. But yeah, I like this one the best. So
Nice.
that's why I'm out here testing it, tuning, doing some driving. The only, the weak points of this car is it's slow.
Yeah.
I mean, you can tell it's like 18 miles per hour or something like that.
Time to go brushless on it.
Yeah, you kind of need to beat this thing up a bit. But the other upgrade I did was I put in an RPM steering rack.
Oh yeah.
Saberless
Yes.
steering rack,
Yes.
which gets rid of a lot of that slop and bigness and just turns a lot better.
Well, yeah, we've got the same RPM.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a big flaw in the design of the Servo Saber for these. So you really, I mean, for a beginner it's okay, but there's a lot of slop in the steering, and I guess you noticed that.
Yeah. Especially on the straight. I track it on the surfaces. So Servo Sabers, yeah, if you got a plastic servo, then you definitely have to run a Servo Saber. But if you have a decent quality servo, metal geared, good torque numbers, and you're running like 1/10 scale, mild powered vehicles, you can definitely run without a servo.
Yeah.
So.
You can get away without, but not on anything beefier than that. Any sort of four-wheel drive, anything with some heft. Yeah, I mean, you guys can see in our Pro MT 4x4 playlist, we stripped that servo out, even with the Servo Saber. So yeah.
yeah, that's kind of the decision point.
Yes.
2S or lower, I think you can run it.
Yeah, especially in these lightweight two-wheel drive, not a lot of mass in the car itself. Yeah, actually, maybe we'll pick up one of these 20-kilogram servos for our Ruckus.
Well, what are you running in your Ruckuses?
Just the stock Spectrum servo, whatever that is. We have a Savox that we ripped out of one of our Ruckus to put in the Pro MT, but it was too tall for the Pro MT. Yeah, it's like literally like maybe 3 millimeters too tall.
Is the servo like straight up and down?
Yeah, so it's just a little bit too tall for that mount. People were saying, hey, you can use like a spacer or something like that, but we just grabbed the next servo we had on the shelf. So which is like that. I forgot. Have you heard of Tower Pro?
I haven't. No.
Yeah, there's just, you know, another cheap servo you can get off of Amazon. You know, 2-day shipping with Prime. I need something in a pinch. I don't want to spend $70 on a Savox.
Yeah, I understand.
Well, hey, let us know what you guys thought of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching. Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. So we're out here at the BMX track with Razor RC. You can check out his channel in the video description if you haven't already. We've got an ECX amp 2-wheel drive. And Razor's done some improvements to this car. We've got one at Racing to Learn as well. But still running the stock brushed motor. He's replaced the ESC and the receiver. He's replaced the hexes with some Traxxas hexes. I should let you talk.
Yeah, I changed out the screws. Oh.
He's busy driving. Uh-oh. Thanks again for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.